Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a message to an unsaved number on WhatsApp. So let's get started. I'm going to show you two ways how you can do that. So first of all, you're going to head over to browser and you're going to search for https://wa.me/ and then you're going to type in the specific phone number that you want. Once you do so, press enter. And you'll be redirected to an interface that's going to say chat on WhatsApp with this number. You'll be able to see two options, open app and continue to WhatsApp web. So if you have the application installed, you're going to click on open app. And if you're using WhatsApp web, simply click on continue to WhatsApp web. And you'll be taken over to the chat and you can send a message without saving the number. And second is use WhatsApp message yourself trick. So you're going to open any chat. For example, I'm going to open my own chat and then you're going to type that number down. So once you type that number down and when you click on that, it's going to ask whether you want to chat with this number or just copy the phone number. So I'm going to click on chat with this number and you can simply message the person without saving their number. So that's basically how you can send a message to an unsaved number on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.